In this video, I'll show you how to export video in CapCut on a laptop. First, open CapCut on your laptop, then open the project that you want to export or create a new project. Once you're done, before exporting, quickly check your timeline, make sure everything's finished. Check your clips, text, audio, captions, any effects that you've added. And once you're ready, go to the top right corner, click Export. This will open up the Export Settings window. At the top, you can usually rename your video and choose where you want it to save. Check the export settings. Most videos are 1080 unless your footage is 2K, 4K, etc. But 1080 is perfectly fine. Things like YouTube, TikTok, etc. Check the frame rate. If it's for gameplay or anything that's kind of high frame rate, then go to 60. But anything else, you can either go to 25 or 30. You'll also see options for format or codec. MP4 is fine. Keep it as H.264. Leave the bitrate at recommended. And once everything looks correct, just hit export. That's our video. You've now exported your video from CapCut. Hope that helps.